Hello, 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 YouTube! This is the Spentos coming to you from the Tesseract with a brand new DIY project. Now, as an owner of a smartphone, I often find it kind of inconvenient placing it sideways so I can watch a video or something on it. And I don't want to spend money on those finicky little shits. Like you can buy a case for $35 that has a little thing that folds out and has things that are in the way, and it just adds weight and thickness to your phone. So I decided to make my own. This particular project is about, let me see, how much would it actually cost to make? Because you get a big thing of 20 by 30. I can't even show you the whole thing, it's so huge. A foam board for $1.50. And I think, just based on sort of measuring this thing out against it, you can make about 6 of them. So, what is that, like 20 cents each? 25? So basically, a foam holder for $0.25. Like I said, you'll need a foam board, you'll need a cutty thing, and you'll need a pencil. So basically, you can make this however you like. You make a design. I decided to go for something that was based off of a computer terminal from Strugate's SG-1. It was like an ancient computer console. It was like a little keyboard, kind of looked like that. Merlin's device, I think it was referred to as. And then what you do is you place the phone on the side and trace around it, place the phone on the other side, trace around it, cut out. So you'll need one layer for the backing. You don't want to cut through this one. And you need at least 2 layers that you're going to cut all the way through with that outline. And then you use glue. I have some glue somewhere here. The one that I used was the Elmer's clear glue. Dollarama, like $1.50, $2 tops. So, oh yeah, and the Scalpel, I bought it for $3 at Dollarama with the little cutting sheet. It was a set. The price has since actually gone up to $4, so the total price for this project, and it's not just for this project, you can make a bunch of them, is about, what is that, 4, 5, 50, 6, 7, so like $8. And if you have a cutting thing and glue, it's $1.50. And then after you've put it all together, you've let it dry. Now you have one for vertical and one for the horizontal. And it works really well. It doesn't actually impede the speakers, so the audio is unaffected. And there we go. Quarter or 25-cent cell phone holder. If you like this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and comments down below. Also subscribe to my channel, and I will have more DIY projects, more film reviews, more gaming videos, more TV show reviews, and a lot of other stuff that's going to be coming down the line. I'll be making a bunch of videos on Acronverse. That's my own sci-fi fantasy universe, so stay tuned for that. Until next time, see ya later.